Hello, welcome. Let us discuss about history and evolution of AI, which means we will discuss about some of the major milestones in the last 100 years that is leading to the AI that we are seeing today. Firstly, in 1950, the concept of AI was born. The mathematician and a scientist called Alan Turing proposed the idea that machines can think. He created the Turing test to check if a machine can act like a human. In this Turing test, computers are made to answer the questions like a human being. Humans will not understand whether human is replying or a computer is replying. Turing test looks something like this. A person will be asking a question. He is asking a question to the human as well who is operating a computer, and he is also asking a question to the computer which is answering by itself, right? And the person sitting here will not know whether computer is answering or human responder is replying using computer, right? This kind of test is called Turing test, which was done by Alan Turing in 1950. His assumption was that whether computers can think and act like a human. You are asking a question, sometimes computers can also reply like a human. Here person is asking a question and he might be getting an answer from the human respondent, or he might also get answer from the computer itself here, right? Without any human intervention. After that, in 1956, AI becomes a field. The term artificial intelligence was coined in Dartmouth College in UK, which resulted in starting AI as a formal area of research. During this period, early programs like logic theorist to solve the mathematical problems were made. This logic theorist is considered as one of the early research in the field of AI. Thereafter, in 1997, AI beats the chess champion. IBM develops a IBM Deep Blue, a chess playing computer, which defeats the world champion. And this machine was able to analyze millions of chess moves and defeat the world champion in 1997, which resulted in people believing that computers are able to perform the complex tasks. Later in 2012, breakthroughs have happened in the area of deep learning. Deep learning using neural networks become powerful with big data and faster computers, transforming the AI capabilities. For example, image recognition systems which can identify the objects like people or animal. Later in 2020s, generative AI boom has happened, which means systems can generate a text, image, audio, and video. Generative AI systems like Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, these are all examples of generative AI, which means they can generate something, either text or video or audio, right? So these are called generative AIs. So we are in this stage now. These are some of the latest AI systems. Thank you for watching.